Hi guys, I'm Scott from OBD-AUS Australia. In front of me I have a range of motorcycle scan tools by iCarsoft. So this is just a quick video to give you a bit of a rundown in the difference between the units. First of all, at the end here we've got the MT-V6 single brand scan tool. Then we've got the MT-V6 Plus, which covers 21 brands of motorcycles. The MT Pro Mini, which also covers the 21 brands of motorcycles. And then the MT Pro, which covers a whole heap more brands again. So first of all, MT-V6 single brand scan tool, so exactly that. It does just cover the one brand. Unfortunately, you can't update more brands onto that scan tool. It has a 4-inch screen, buttons there, no internal battery, so unfortunately you can't power the unit up unless you're plugged into the motorcycle. In regards to what cables are included, it will vary as to which brand you purchase. So in this case, it's for BMW, so it does include the 10-pin round plug, which is common on a lot of BMW motorcycles. But it will vary depending on which brand, so just make sure you know your bike, know what sort of plug is on your bike, and then you can check online to see if it is included with the brand that you're purchasing. If not, you may just need to buy an extra adaptation cable. Next, moving on to the MT-V6 Plus. So the unit itself is actually the same, so same 4-inch screen, same buttons, and no internal battery, but it just has a different software. So we've got the software for the 21 brands of motorcycles. So look, those brands are BMW, KTM, Ducati, Benelli, Aprilia, Triumph, Harley, Yamaha, Kawasaki, Honda, Suzuki, and more. So generally, any of the common brands in Australia are covered. Now, this one does also include a heap of different cables, so it will actually connect to most brands of motorcycles. Moving on then to the MT Pro Mini, which we're now going up to a 5-inch screen, touch screen, and it has an internal battery, which means like this, so it's powered up when we're not plugged into the motorcycle. It also has Wi-Fi to make things like your updates and stuff much easier. Just touch the update button and we can run an update. These units here do need to be plugged into a PC to be able to run those updates. Now, in regards to the software, this MT Pro Mini and the MT-V6 Plus have the same software on them. So it covers the same 21 brands of motorcycle and generally has the same features and functions for those motorcycles, but it's just the hardware it's difference. So look, at the moment I think it's about $100 difference between these two units, but the difference is the hardware, so 4-inch screen up to your 5-inch screen, plus you got touch screen and Wi-Fi. This one does also include a large range of all sorts of different cables, so once again most motorcycles are going to be covered in that unit. Then we move on to the MT Pro, which we're then going up to a 7-inch screen. On, there we go. So you can see it is quite a bit bigger than the MT Pro Mini. This one does cover a lot of extra brands of motorcycles. Having a look at them, there are a lot of brands that aren't necessarily very popular or well known in Australia, but they are out there. Check online, you'll see all the extra brands on there. If you're running a motorcycle workshop, you might find some of those extra brands are helpful. It does also have a number of other functions and features over the other scan tools as well. It does also include a heap of cables and stuff, so once again you should be able to connect to most brands of motorcycle. So hopefully that answers some of your questions for you. If you have any other questions, feel free to check out obd2australia.com.au.